Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can check free hard drive space in Windows 10. What you need to do is just open your File Explorer, then click on My Computer, and if you hover your mouse over that hard drive, you'll see how much free space it has. You also can right click on it and click on Properties, and you'll see more details about that hard drive. The other way you can check how much free space you have is by going to Windows settings, then click on System, click on Storage, and on this page you will see details about your primary hard drive. If you want to see details about your other hard drives, then click on View Storage Usage on other drives. And here you will see details about your other drives. That's how you can find out how much free space you have in your PC. Thank you for watching.